Okay guys, check these prawns out. Let's zoom in. Check that. Guys, if you want to make some of this for dinner tonight, watch this video till the end. Yummy spicy salt and pepper prawns.
Hello 大家好，又嚟啦喎！今日教大家整個椒鹽蝦。嗱，洗嗰啲蝦咧洗乾淨咗啦，嗰啲大蝦有15隻，差唔多有1kg，有1kg咁上下啦有。
Okay, hi guys. Today my mom is making some delicious salt and pepper prawns.
Yeah.
So watch the video till the end to learn this delicious, easy dinner recipe for you guys to eat. Okay.
首先剪咗嗰啲，開咗佢個背脊，響呢度剪落去，剪佢大啲，剪佢大少少。咁啊，剪咗佢嗱，剪咗佢嗰條箭啊嚇，嗰條弓箭出嚟先，剪晒嗰啲鬚出嚟先。咁啊，剪開個背脊。
Okay guys, you can see how my mom is cutting the prawns.
Yeah.
Here there's 15 prawns. So she first cut off the whiskers of the prawn. Then she also cut the back of the prawn, and then she will swoop out that poop from its back.
剪晒佢啲箭先。
Just like that, guys. Just like that.
嗱，咁樣啊。啲蝦好靚，好大隻啊，成隻手板咁。
呢啲係咩 King 蝦或 Queen？
呢種蝦好似 tiger prawn 咁。
These are tiger prawns here.
好大隻。剪晒嗰啲腸啊，嗰啲手腳剪晒佢出嚟先。剪開咗咧，咁啊挑腸，嗰冇腸咧，嗰個背脊剪佢深少少，咁炒出嚟隻蝦靚好多。
Just do what my mom's doing here. Cut the whiskers, cut the back. If you see poop by its back, take it out, and then yeah, it's done.
有啲冇腸嘅。各位嗱，今晚教大家整椒鹽大蝦。首先咧，先落少少味響度先。
Okay, my mom's putting some pepper onto the prawns over here.
落少少胡椒粉先，咁啊落少少鹽。
She's also got to sprinkle some salt.
放少少鹽，咁咧收勻佢。落少少鹽花喺度，咁咧跟住咧就放少少生粉，放兩大匙羹都夠。
She's also gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. While she's doing that, she's like preheating the pan over here.
燒興咗鑊咧就落油。
Okay, so when the pan is hot, we can add in some cooking oil. We're gonna be deep frying these prawns. We don't need to add too much oil.
分兩次就 OK 啦。熱鑊冷油，燒熱佢。
Preheat the pan very hot before you dump the prawns in. And that will make the prawns crispy.
你想佢啲味道好啲咧，落多幾粒鹽。係，咁省少少鹽蛙得㗎啦。咁啊，開始煎大蝦。
Okay, we're placing the prawns into the hot oil. It should turn color pretty fast.
一隻放落去下水。
can see it's starting to turn color as the oil is very hot. First ones we can flip it over. Should cook just for about 5 minutes, so about 2.5 minutes on each side of the prawns. Smelling, I can already smell the flavor coming out of these prawns. It was so easy. You just sprinkle some white pepper, some salt, and add in your cornstarch. The cornstarch will make the skin of the prawn crispy. Okay, once it's ready, we can take these prawns out of the pan. So it should be ready, guys. After that, we can add in our other ingredients to make these delicious prawns.
又簡單又方便，咁啊倒起晒啲油，再重新再炒香嗰啲配料，咁就兜勻佢落味道就搞掂。
These prawns are ready. Check that out.
OK， 我就兜倒起啲油先。呢啲油唔用得㗎啦，呢啲油咧就要倒咗佢嘅。
Okay, after we, like if you guys asked in the comments before you wanted to reuse this oil, we're not gonna use this oil anymore because it's messed up. That's why we just use a bit of oil to fry the prawns so you can save on your oils. Okay, now we're preheating back the pan and okay, my mom's showing you what ingredients we are using. Over here is some chilies with onions here.
Yeah.
Over here we got some garlic over here.
Yeah.
Over here we got the green peppers chopped up, and we also got some scallions over there. So now my mom's gonna make this. It's gonna be spicy.
炒香啲配料啊！
Okay, she's first dumping in the garlic in the oil here. We're using some olive oil.
Garlic， 跟住咧洋葱先。
And she's gonna add in the onions with the chilies. I can smell the flavor already. It's very spicy because of the chilies.
Green pepper.
Add in the green peppers here.
啲葱花咧炒好先落。
I wish you guys can smell this.
炒好先落。
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
炒香晒配料先。
Okay, first she's gonna stir fry the main ingredients here. The spicy ingredients.
炒香晒佢先。好啦，配料炒香啦，咁就到落大蝦啦。
Okay, now we can dump in the prawns.
咁跟住咧，兜勻佢先。
Okay, first we're gonna stir the prawns into the spices, mix the spices.
兜勻晒佢先。兜勻晒佢先。再落多少少胡椒粉先。
Okay, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of white pepper.
Okay, 落少少生抽。
Drizzle of some soy sauce.
落少少鹽先。
Just a tiny little bit more of salt.
Okay. 少少糖，燒酒。little bit sugar.
A little bit of sugar.
跟住彎少少酒。
Little drizzle of Chinese rice wine.
放少少 sesame oil.
The drizzle of some sesame oil.
咁就搞掂咧，落埋啲葱花添。
Okay, we're gonna add in our scallions as well.
落埋啲。
We can stir fry this.
兜勻晒佢就差唔多啦。
Look at the color, guys. Let me zoom in to show you.
兜勻晒佢，OK。
Don't you want to eat this? If you want to eat this, say yes in the comments section below. So I'll let my mom know.
炒起啲椒鹽蝦好靚。
Smells so good.
好啦，咁啊兜勻晒，搞掂啦。
Okay, just like that, guys. Just like that. Now we can plate this up.
嗱，搞掂啦。
Wow, look at that.
好，咁啊上碟。
Check at that, guys. Check at that. Ooh, the spices is getting into my nose.
上碟啦。
Okay, we can plate this up. Check that. Zoom in. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that.
你睇下佢靚。哇！一路咁騰轉。
Plate these delicious prawns, guys. You can make for dinner. You can surprise your friends and family at home. Just such an easy recipe.
咁簡單。
Such an easy recipe anyone can make at home. And you only learn this on our recipe channel, Cantonese food recipes, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel.
記得點讚啦！好啦，咁啊畢埋啲材料落去。
Wow. Add in more of that stuff.
呢啲係靚嘢啦，呢啲係靈魂嚟㗎啦。搞掂，好啦。 好啦，各位吃得飯啦，椒鹽大蝦，快啲過嚟食啦！記得點讚啦，記得點讚同埋記住我個 channel， 識講。
Okay. Okay, my mom's like saying, don't forget to like her video and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. Let me just zoom in to show you guys the final product.
Okay.
Okay, 咪喐住俾我睇啊。Okay, zoom in. 個碟斜少少落去啊。Let me just show you guys. Wow. You see guys?
食嘢啦，食嘢啦。
Okay, thanks guys for watching. We're gonna have this for dinner.
今日過冬好好餸啊，椒鹽大蝦。
2024 recipe.
當頭燒肉啊。
Thanks guys.
雲連連。
Okay. Thanks guys for watching. Wow, look at that.
記得點讚啊！
Say comment in the section below if you want to eat some of this, guys. Thanks guys for watching.
邊個想食咩好嘢喺我哋個 channel 説話俾我哋聽啦。
My mom's like, if you have any recipes you want her to make to show you guys, you can leave your comments on this video. Thanks guys for watching.